Hello everybody, this is a mini bike I made about 7 years ago. I built it from scratch out of some pipe, a bunch of other things from an old chipper. I made this stuff myself. But I've decided to do some upgrades to it. I'm not sure what to do with it yet. I know I need to replace this back area. Well, at least the tire and rim and whatnot. But it's got a 5-horse Briggs bicycle seat, kickstand from a bicycle, wheelbarrow, tires and wheels. But yeah, that's it right there. So I'm gonna do something to it. Next video I'm gonna see if it'll start. Everybody have a good one.